Hi, everybody. Pleased to be here. All my life, I've been an independent, sustainable family farmer. About 25 years ago, I realized, you know what, it's time to fight for our culture and our way of life. Against industrial ag, against the government, which has been bought basically by big money, big industrial ag. I am past president of the Iowa Farmers Union. I'm still on the board. I am on the board of the organization Comparative Markets, a national group. I am on boards and commissions across the country, across the state. I fight and raise hell for family farm agriculture and for the food you people want to eat. And I have a message for Mr. Trump at the moment. Put your thought where your mouth is. Make America great again. Country of origin labeling for meat by America's farmers and ranchers. Why doesn't he do it? All the Democrats, including Sanders, is willing to do it. It's all about country. Should be. And people, exactly. And Iowa has transformed from a family farm system to an industrial ag system. In the meantime, we have some of the worst water quality in the nation. We have extreme depopulation in the rural areas. We have excessive use of antibiotics in animal agriculture. 94% of the people farmers like me, independent pig farmers, we're gone. You drive in the countryside, you smell them, the big CAFOs, the factory farms. 90% of the meat you buy in the grocery store comes from a factory farm now. Is that what America wants? We, the family farm system of agriculture, were good enough to feed this country for over 200 years. Why do you think they want to get rid of us now? It's all about big money, folks. We need your help to, quite frankly, raise hell to save the family farm, the consumer. I bleed rural and family farm. I bleed for the working people and the consumers. Us family farmers, yep, we take the subsidies. Us little guys and mid-sized family farms, we just go get another job in town. That's how we subsidize ourselves to stay on the farm. So we're going to do it this time. We're going to make a president out of Senator Sanders.
Thank you. All right. Thanks so much.